So the first rule that I want to talk about is love yourself. You guys are already there. I don't have to tell you how to do that. However, I've seen in many cases that we doubt ourselves a lot. I myself at times have many negative thoughts in my mind. Sometimes I tell myself, maybe it's not possible. It has happened in the past. How have I overcome that thought? By loving myself. Can you imagine if you don't love yourself, if you don't love the way you are, who you are, how do you expect others to love you? Many a times we criticize ourselves a lot. Constructive criticism is very good. When you know your weaknesses, try to work on that. But other than that, when you start loving yourself, you start believing in yourself. You tell yourself, I can do it. It's possible for me to go for my dream. Extremely important. When you don't love yourself, you'll always tell yourself, maybe I'm not worth it. Does it happen? Maybe I don't deserve that position. Has it happened to you? What do you do when you have those kind of thoughts? You think of all the reasons which will substantiate that thought, right? So you have to think, you have to tell yourself all those negative thoughts, all those negative ideas, even others give you, you have to block your mind and think positive. And in a way, you will actually end up loving yourself. The other thing that I want to tell you is that sometimes we say, I'm really bored. Do you often say that? I'm really bored? What does that mean? When you're alone and you're bored, you are in? Exactly. That's one of my favorite gurus, Sadhguru, the proponent of spirituality. He mentioned this, and this has been resonating in my mind, that now I don't ever say that I'm bored when I'm alone. Because if you're bored in your own company, then there's definitely a problem with yourself, right? So be self-motivated, love yourself. I love to be on my own, really, because I have so many things to do. There's so many creative ways of making sure that I don't get bored. So I always try to improve myself, try to be better than what I am today.